Hey guys, welcome back to VRK Homemaker, and this is going to be a Goa vlog series number 6. And who have not watched the previous series, please go ahead and watch, guys. It is more interesting. And this is going to be Mapusa market vlog, guys, which is very interesting. Don't miss to watch full video. Before getting inside the video, know what to do. Please do subscribe, share, like my videos. Wherever we go, we definitely find a place to shop. Yes, today even we did the same. So we just been there to see the Mapusa market. First, it would be the Anjuna market, but of course it's only open on Wednesdays. But this Mapusa market, thought of visiting. So come on, guys, let's go and visit. Mapusa market has always been one of the main centers for trading and shopping in Goa. From the olden times, in fact, they say that the market grew to become so significant that the town that developed around it was derived from the business conducted at the market. And the reason why the Mapusa market only, because the Mapusa market with items ranging from antiques and gone pottery to handicraft, textiles, clothing, spices, fruits, vegetables, meats, jewelry, bargaining is advised and is a good place to test your handling skills. And the second reason is that Mapusa is a great place to meet the locals, take pictures, or just walk about. But on Friday, the Mapusa Friday, you can say, market gets super active and busy, and we suggest you get there then for the best experience on every Friday. Local traders, farmers, artisans, etc. showcase their products or works, and that's the day you will also get the opportunity to buy without paying middleman prices. And there is one more reason why Mapusa market is a great place to find the fresh local food products like pickles, dried fish, prawns, everything is available, guys. So now we already entered the Mapusa market. Just have a look and enjoy, guys. These are all the spices. Fruits, vegetables, dry fish, everything in one place. Guys, observe carefully. Here it is dry prawns also available, and this is medium size and this is minimum size. Very small prawns, guys, and medium size is okay, but look at this very tiny one, but it's good and taste will be awesome if you prepare a very good recipe with that. And these are all mackerel fishes, I guess, and few coconuts and many things it's there, guys. So just have a look. Oh, I just entered the shop where you can decorate your home, but it is simple. Just have a look. Everywhere it is a dry fish only, guys. My mouth was really watering like anything because I'm a non-vegetarian, of course. Anyway, it's good to see the dry prawns in different sizes. I really like it. Guys, here if you observe the both the sides also vegetables only. In between there is a space where you can enter the fish market also. Here, guys, I'm entering the other street where the bag shop I've seen, but it was very unique bags I really found and reasonable prices only. I really like the quality of the bags also. Just have a look. Guys, I hope you really had a great time to watch this video, and thanks for spending your valuable time to watch this video, guys. To watch more interesting videos in my channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like my videos, guys. And who are really watching my channel without subscribing, please do subscribe, share, like my videos, and let's catch up with a new video again tomorrow. Until then, take care. Bye bye.